got a quadratic equation here, and this quadratic equation has got roots alpha and beta. And without finding out what alpha and beta are, I've got to just state alpha plus beta and alpha beta. That's 2 marks, and it should be quite straightforward. It's going to be 1 for this and 1 for this. Now, in my equation, this is A, not alpha, this is B, and this is C. And alpha plus beta is always minus B divided by A. So alpha plus beta minus B, so that's minus minus 4, gives me 4, divided by A, which is 2, gives me 2. And alpha times beta, well, that's just going to be this one divided by this one. It's always C divided by A, so that's a half. Okay, second quadratic is given as this, and it has these roots. So if these are the roots, immediately I can go in and write this down. With one little exception, I need to make this equal to 0. So where did I get this from? If this is a root, then it will factorize to this, and they're both roots, and is equal to 0. Once I've got that, I can expand it. So I've got x squared, I've got x times minus 1 over beta, x times minus 1 over beta, it's minus minus, and the minus 1 over alpha comes in here, and then I've got this times this, so it's a positive 1 over alpha beta. So this number here is going to represent my q, and this number here is going to represent my p. Now my q number is quite easy, because this number here, the q number, is 1 divided by alpha beta, which is a half. 1 divided by a half is actually 2. So I've already got my q, that's quite straightforward. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to turn it into a single fraction. So I'm going to have alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. So these two times together, and then I do 1 times beta for this number and 1 times alpha for this number. Alpha plus beta I've got is 2. Alpha times beta I've got as a half. Just following that through, it's going to be 4. So I've got x squared minus 4x. So p is minus 4. As here it's a positive. And q, which we had before, is 2.